Hello, Can Do Guy here. We just received our replacement gas can spouts. I have 2 orders. This bag has 6 total, and this bag has 3. And you can see it has a drill bit, and this one also has a drill bit. Okay, I hope they work on some of my cans. Give me a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Hello, Can Do Guy here. This is a follow-up with this new filter kit I got, funnel kit for the gas cans. I have a couple on and some that won't fit. These, I'll show you that this spout will not fit either one of these. They're too big and will not screw on, the tall or the small. So there is gas cans that these won't fit. Also, these caps will not screw on to the top like they're supposed to. They made them too small or something. They will not screw. They got the threads on the inside, but it's too big and it just won't work. So there you go. Was it a waste of money? You know, I could probably use some of it, but I can't seal it off. It does have the, if you want to put vents in, also has the cap, the seal, which are these. Other than that, was it worth the money? I don't know. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. Continuation from the other video. Not only can these be used for a stopgap leak, I assume, they can also be used to cap off the top of the hose. There you go. Give me a like, again, subscribe, and thanks for watching.